Yeah, hi Robby. You're on stage now. Everyone can see you.
Hi, Ernest. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great, thank you.
Yeah. You are, I suppose you are here to teach the attendees how to invest safely in crypto.
Actually, not about teaching, but more to sharing. Because yeah, I'm not expert. It's just yeah, based on my experience, and also I would like to introduce about our platform.
Hmm. Sure, definitely.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. So hi everyone. My name is Robby. So allow me to share my screen. I would like to present. I have some PowerPoint slides so that I can present to you guys. Okay, perfect. Cool. So yeah, today I would like to talk and discuss about how to invest safely in crypto. But first of all, I would like to say that uh, disclaimer modern. This is not any financial advice. All materials provided here is just intended for educational purpose only. Okay, so yeah, how to make money in crypto. So basically, there are three ways to make money in crypto. There's mining, and then trading, and also investing. So first of all, we would like to start with mining. What is mining? Mining is basically the process that Bitcoin and several other cryptocurrencies use to generate new coins and verify new transactions. Okay, so it will involve fast, decentralized networks of computers around the world that verify and secure the blockchains. And in return for contributing their processing power, the computers on the networks are rewarded with the new coins. Okay, but then there are several problems with mining. First of all, not many so well-known or and popular crypto use POW consensus in their blockchain. Even Ethereum, as we know today, like nowadays hot topic, Ethereum is transitioning to proof of stake. Okay, and additionally, according to the Economic Times that we gather here, with the current market condition, with the price and everything, over 75% of the Bitcoin miners' earnings are going into the soaring electricity costs. So yeah, basically you will not earn so much money by doing mining with the current market condition. Okay, this is the problem that we have. And then next up is trading. In short, trading is basically the act of speculating on cryptocurrency price movement via a trading account. It involves buying and selling the coins or token via an exchange. Either it's a decentralized exchange or centralized exchange. Trading, in my opinion, trading can be profitable in a bull market. But if the market is, like sideways or more to bear market or downturn, then trading might not be that profitable. There's also futures and leverage tradings, which is very popular nowadays, but it can be very risky because it's very easy for us to lose all of our money if the market goes against your position. So in the screen, we can see that according to Trade Society, like all traders, most of them they start with a dream to get rich quick. Like myself, even though me, when I first started trading Bitcoin and jump into the blockchain, yeah, we all have this dream to get rich quick. Okay, But then the fact is only 40% of them will trade for 1 month, and then 80% of which will quit will quit within the first 2 years, and only 7% remain after 5 years. And then on top of it, 1% of all traders can profit net of fees. So yeah, basically, based on uh, the news here that says that it's very hard. Okay. Yeah, I think that this is the slide that I'm talking about. So to wrap up, that it means that trading is not that easy as well. Based on the statistic that we have from Trade Society, only 1% of all traders can profit of net fees. Okay, now everything is okay now. Cool. So is my slides moving, or is it still stuck in the first slide? Okay, wait a minute. I couldn't read the chat. Yes, all good. It's moving. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Let me continue. Okay, so then the third one is how to profit or make money in crypto is investing. In a nutshell, investing is the act uh, of putting capital to work in hopes of a greater payoff in the future compared to what was originally put in. So, but then there's a common notion that investing is only for the rich people, just like what we see, it's in the HSBC news here. But it's only a myth, you know. Later on, we will be touching on how you can invest with very limited resources of capital in crypto. So, and also, if we speak and talk about investing, I think that the timing is very important. Just like what we have read here, this 25 years old say that he is now a millionaire after investing early in Ether and Bitcoin. Yeah, you can imagine, and a lot of people, like we are all imagining that what if last time when the Bitcoin is still under $100 or $1,000, we invest and we uh, still keep and hold it until now, and also some of us we might think that what if we participate and in Ethereum ICO back in 2014, we must be a millionaire by now. So yeah, this is all about investing. And actually, speaking about ICO and IDO now, I would like to share, the how all the crowdfunding in crypto evolves. Last time, starting from 2014, there was this ICO or initial coin offering. So a lot of people they try to offer their coins in their website, but then, as we all know, if we participate in ICO, we are directly investing in the project via the website, normally via website. But next week or next month, if let's say the website is gone, then our money is also gone. Then with the uh, Bitcoin and all the cryptocurrency evolves, there is this platform called IDO platform or a launchpad. Launchpad is basically, a platform where investor can invest in an early stage project, and also the launchpad normally will do some research and due diligence, about the project itself. So, but then there are several problems with Launchpad. First of all, most of the Launchpad that we know in the industry, they have this tier system. So for us to join and participate in the Launchpad, we have to have a minimum amount of token in order to join the level system or tier system and then buy the token. And then, based on my experience, I've also participated in CoinList, one of the launchpad, one of the big launchpad platform. Last time it was Mina IDO. So in Mina IDO, there were like 300,000 people participating and waiting, in the queue, but only 40,000 get to buy the token. So it's like approximately 12% only get to buy the token. So there's another problem that some of the launchpad they have this waiting list, and also some of the launchpad they have no guarantee or safety of the funds. Okay, so Communitas is basically a decentralized and tierless launchpad, and here, as you can see in our launchpad comparison, we have put how we are different from others. This data is taken back in July, and then as you can see here, the lowest tier in Communitas platform is only like 100 com. You only need to buy and stake 100 com, which is approximately not even $1. And if you compare to other launchpad like BSC Pad, DAO Maker, CDFI, so they all have this quite big requirement. Okay, so yeah, we are in the Launchpad comparison part. So as you can see, the lowest requirement for Communitas Launchpad is not even like $1, whereas in BSC Pad, DAOmaker, and CD5, they require like 200 to even $2,000 worth of their token. So you need to buy 200 to $2,000 worth of their token, and then you stake it. Then only you can uh, get to buy the newly launched token. And as we can see here, like in BSC Pad and CDFI, with that lowest tier allocation, the system of allocation is also not guaranteed. It means that there will be some kind of lottery. You might or you might not get the allocation later on. And then they also have this guaranteed tier. In Comunitas, our guaranteed tier is only 3,000 com. Or you just need to stake 3,000 com, which is approximately $5. Whereas in other platforms, you will need at least 1,000 to $2,000 in order to get a guarantee allocation. Some launchpad also do private sale, not only public sale deal. Normally, in private sale, we as an investor will get better price or lower price, but with longer vesting schedule. And in Communitas, in order to get into private sale allocation that we offer, you just need to have 500,000 com token, or it is approximately 800 in US dollar. So if you have 500,000 com token and you stake it with our staking platform, you are our private partners. Whereas in BSC Pad and CDFI, they will need like 14,000 and 10,000 worth of their token, and there is not counted the money that you have to put or invest in the project. Okay, and our staking yield, it is starting from last time it was 18%, and starting this September we reduced it to 10%. Whereas in BSC Pad the staking yield is 15, and the DAO maker is 3, and CD5 is 5. We also have our protection or priority rules, whereas in BSC Pad and DAO maker they do not have such rules. CD5 has it. This another part that we have and other launchpad doesn't have is about the revenue sharing. I will discuss more about the revenue sharing later on with you guys. But for now, I will show you uh, some of the criteria when we select a project. Okay, first of all, the project will have to send the full amount of tokens to our vesting smart contract prior to the TGE, thus lowering the risk of vesting delays. And then in the second point, we say that the funds raised will be released to the project according to the vesting schedule. So for example, if a project vests 25% of the token every month, we will only release an equivalent percentage of the fund, which is 25%, at least 48 hours after each vesting. So if let's say after the TGE or the first vesting, if the project has do some bad things like rug pull, or they stop the project, we're still safe because we are still holding and keeping the 75%, and we still can do the refunds to our community. The third point is something which is quite attractive, I can say. So the rule says that if the price of the token falls below the IKO, by the way, we call our IDO as IKO, initial community offering. Okay, so if the price of the token falls below the IKO price for 3 consecutive days before 50% of the token vested to our investor, then we will provide an option for refunds for the remaining of the allocation to the investor. It means that you can choose to refund or not to refund, but we will provide that if, let's say, the price goes down below the sale price for 3 consecutive days. Okay. Uh, yeah, I mean, like the fourth one is normal that the project will have to provide liquidity in 1-to-1 ratio in relation to its initial market cap. The reason why we have this is we just want to make sure that, let's say, 100% of the investor is about to sell the token, then there will be enough liquidity for that. In fact, it has never happened, but yeah, it's just a way for us to protect the community. Okay, and then the liquidity of the token will have to be locked with a reliable third party like TXLock, Unicrypt. Okay, and the team token will also have to be locked up according to the vesting schedule. We will ask for the proof. This also includes any and all tokens for marketing, advisory, etc. Okay, the token contract will need to be audited. It's normal, and the listing date of the token must be within 14 days of the IKO. So if, let's say, today, 8th of September, we have a sale of, let's say, a project, then the latest of 22nd of September, the project will have to list the token. These are the rules that a project needs to follow if they want to have this priority project badge in their project card in our launchpad. These are the first three priority projects that we have. So let me give you an example. Well, the first one was the Central World. The price of IKO was 0.014, and it reached the all-time high of 0.02, or approximately 2x. So for this project, the percentage of the token unlock was 100%. And based on our data, within the first 2 hours of the TGE, when the token is listed, the average price is sitting at 1.68x, 1.6x, which means that you will get a profit of approximately 60%. Okay. In other words, let's say you invest 1,000 US dollar in this project last time. So by the time of the token is listed, then you can sell it for 1,600. Okay. The next project is iStep. The price of the IKO was 0.01. It reached an all-time high of 90x. I know it sounds like impossible, but yeah, we also never take the all-time high and put it as the way how we market it. To be fair, we take the first 2 hour, we calculate the first 2 hour of after our community can claim the token. So for this iStep project, they have 25% unlock at TGE, and based from our data, our user can sell at 5.2x, which means that if you invest 1,000 US dollar in iStep project, you will get, first of all, you will get only 25% or 250. But this 250, if you are about to sell it, if you were to sell it um, within the first 2 hours of the listing, then you can get approximately 1,250. So you have already get your initial back, which is 1,000. You have the profits of 250, and you still have 75% of the token unvested. Okay, so yeah, this is our priority project. Okay, now let's jump into the quarterly revenue sharing, which is, I can say, uh, quite interesting, and it has not been done by any other launchpad before. So if you remember, in order to join our private partners, you will need to have 500,000 com token, which is only approximately not even 1,000 US dollar. So after you buy 500,000 com token, you stake it. Of course, the more the better. So every quarter, mm, we will share 30% of our revenue to all private partners. At the moment, based on our data, last June 2022, we have approximately 500, 500 something uh, private partners in our group chat. And this revenue sharing is taken from um, the third round and the fourth round of our fundraising. So we have four rounds of fundraising. The first one and the second one is a guaranteed allocation, and is there will be no fees because we honor all those people who have stake and buy com token. But for the third and the fourth round, we call it first come first serve round and community round. We have 5% and 10% fees respectively. The fourth round is designed for those who doesn't want to buy and stake com token. So if you don't want to buy com token, if you don't want to stake the com token, it's okay. You also can participate in the sale if only there's a left offer until the fourth round, which is the community round, but there will be 10% fee. Let's say the price of the token is zero point 0.1 US dollar. And if you want to buy 100 US dollar worth of the token, you will need 110. So this 10% will be collected, and 30% of which will be shared to our private partners every quarter. Okay. So yeah, I hope you understand about that. That is some killer feature that we have. And so why should a project launch with Comunitas? Because of trust. We started Comunitas platform was ready since November 2021, and until now we have helped approximately 70 projects to do the fundraising, and in total we have helped them to raise 6 point something million. But the thing is, uh, we have never do something bad to the project. In fact, that those projects come to us because they also want to leverage, get exposure to our community. We have 130 plus K member in our Telegram, 200,000 uh, follower in the Twitter, and 25,000 in the Medium. Um, Not only that, we also have 15 plus regional groups starting from Indonesia, Turkish, Germany, Russia. You can find all of them in our website. And yeah, if you like not comfortable speaking English, we have one moderator in each regional group to help you. So we also believe in partnership. We always welcome any type of partnership from any aspect of the crypto world, VCs, KOL, community partners. Not only that, um, in the launchpad industry, I can say that we are the only launchpad that have a mini games platform. So this mini games platform is designed so that our com token holders is not only like staking the token and participating in the IDO, but if you don't like to participate in IDO, you also can use your com token to play the comment play. So comment play is a mini games platform with more than 100 plus games where you can play for free. And also we are conducting some kind of events. You also can participate in the events. In order to participate in the event, you have to buy the com token, and the ticket will be in com token, and there will be some kind of rewards if you can hit, or if you can win the race in the event. You can scan this barcode over here, and or you can also go to our website and see, look at the click on the play. So the website is play.communitas.net. You can go, but for now it is only available for browser, web-based browser. We are still developing the mobile application, and it will be ready in 1 or 2 months time. Okay. So yeah, thank you. This is the end of my presentation. If you have any question, I would be more than happy to answer that.
Hi, Robby. Yeah, thanks for the amazing speech, Robby. I hope you
Hey,
guys learn a thing or two about Communitas itself. Yeah, they are awesome launchpad. If you guys want to know more, you can always type in onto their website, go into their website at launchpad.communitas.net to find out more.
yeah,
Mm.
yeah. Thank you,
Right.
Ernest.
No worries. Thanks. Glad to have you here.
Yeah,
Right,
thank you for
right
having
up.
me. Bye bye.
All right. Right up next, we have Zhen Liren from CoinRich Tech Private Limited. So basically, he's someone who has been doing business in Southeast Asia for many years. His company and his team are business people and professionals who used to be and are still currently doing business in this region. They used to work for crypto exchanges. They also run DAO like organizations in Singapore, whereby they focus more on crypto projects itself. So right up, I would like to invite him on stage. He will be having a speech educating you guys on business trends of cryptocurrency. Zhen Liren, the stage is all yours.